What's up, warriors? Ty Dow here, coming back with another video in this series. And today what we're going to do is we're going to cover everything that you need to have in place before you start running ads. As a matter of fact, the store actually hit an all-time high so far, but I just want you guys to see the results so far on my phone. That's a $737 a day. It's not the end of the day yet, but I did do the profit and loss sheet on that, and we look as to be in profit with that store as of right now. So I want to walk you through the process of what I did to get everything ready before I started running ads, because it's no secret you have to run ads, you have to run traffic to your store in order to start making sales and making money. You can't just have a Shopify store out there and expect it to start earning money because you have a hot winning product added to your store. You actually have to start getting visitors to come over to your website. And so in the next series of what I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to share with you a platform that we use currently to get all of our sales inside of Shopify for every single one of our stores, no matter what product it is. Some products do good, some products do bad. But in the end scope of things, you're going to learn very quickly what product is a winner and what product is a loser. And you're going to understand exactly what you need to have in place to make that product even more profitable with different things that I'm adding to the mix actually as of today. So it's very important that you pay attention to this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you in-depth details on what else you need to have in place in order to maximize your profits whenever you do start sending traffic to your store following the next video in this series. If you're just arriving on this video right now, you've never been on this channel before, and you don't know what this channel is about, then just to let you know, obviously this channel is about making money online, advertising your business, e-commerce, Shopify, affiliate marketing. I cover an array of different topics on this channel because of the 9 years of experience that I've occurred obviously during that time. And so I'm sharing all of that knowledge with you, coupled with new and advanced ways of marketing, or as the market changes, obviously I'm changing as well and updating you guys, giving you guys the latest, greatest information on whatever topic it is. So subscribe for that. If you're looking for that sort of vibe, then obviously hit that subscribe button right below this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you get an instant notification whenever I do send out a video. If you guys that have been watching me for a while haven't hit that notification bell, it's very important you do that, because sometimes you will not get my videos and you'll be wondering, hey, where's part 2, where's part 3, where's part 6, or whatever of this video series. And if you would have hit that notification bell, then you would have gotten a notification onto your phone, and you wouldn't have missed any updates on any videos that I created. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to my computer and share with you not only the results, but I'm also going to show you what I lost. What is my profit for the day. I'm not going to just show you, that I created $700 for this company. I'm going to share with you the profit that was made from it. And a lot of people that have these Shopify stores are not transparent with you. So I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so you see what it looks like in real numbers, in real time. Not every product's going to take off, and you will have winners that do pop up, and sometimes they do fizzle out. So I'm sharing with you the whole process in which I am taking a company from zero to whatever amount we can take it with this store. So let's go ahead and hop into the training. All right, before we dive into obviously the step for today, which is securing everything before we start running Facebook ads, which is our traffic stream. And so I just wanted to share with you these results here yet again, but also I want to be transparent with you. I do have a P&L sheet. Okay, so you can see the profit and loss with this store as of today. And if I go on over to my profit and loss sheet, it's going to show you all the all the testing and all the things that I did before getting to this day, which is as of today. Okay, and so this is how it started out. I was getting 2 orders a day from day 1, 3 orders, 2, and it just kept on trickling back and forth as we were testing different just different ads for this product. Okay, and so that's why you see one into the red, run into the red. So every day is not green. Every day is not green. Okay, but what most people don't do is, like, they'll see this and then they'll see this and then they'll give up. Right? They'll give up and they won't keep on running and testing and trying to perfect things. And so this is just a exact result of spending just about the same amount of money on ads, right? We're getting a better result because we're fine-tuning the ads. Okay? And that's the difference between somebody that, just jumps in there, markets a product, and someone who actually dives into the data that they're buying and tries, does their best to give, to nurture the ads. Okay? And so with that being said, folks, that brings me out to my next point here, which is you got to have, there's certain things that you got to have in place in order to get better results. See, today was a result of a couple of things that I put in place, which I'm going to be sharing with you in a second. Okay? A big difference between yesterday. We're negative $5.33 for that day. But overall, this is what it looks like. Okay? You'll be looking at this like you spent $1,000 and you only made $268 in profit. Here's the thing, folks. Every day is not going to look like this. It will continue to get better and better over time as you continue to implement, the Facebook ad strategies, right? So you have to think of it like that. You can't just think, oh man, well, I spent this much. Well, we didn't start there. Remember, we started with $44 on day one, right? And all this money's, we're making all this money is coming back into our bank account. And since everything's tracked here, I know that even though I'm spending this much money per day, I'm still in the profit and the money's just basically recycling itself. Okay, and that's what you have to really think about. I didn't need $1,000 to start, to get here. All I really need is, first few days of profit. Boom. I can recycle that money back in to make it grow as I'm making corrections, staying within my budget. Right? Anyways, I didn't want to give you a long rant on that. It's a different mindset when you start really advertising your business like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to my dummy store to share with you my email sequence. Okay, and also what else I have in place in order to get better results. So here, this is the number one thing that helps me to make more sales, is following up with people who abandon carts. You ever went to an e-commerce store online, you looked around and you added a product to the cart, but you just never went through with the purchase? Well, this app right here actually automatically follows up with them once you set up the emails. You can't just install the app and call it a day. See, what I did was I created a 3-part email series. Okay, I'm gonna show you these. What that looks like. Okay, boom. This is what I have in place. Your order, client name. So whenever this sends an email out automatically to my abandoned carts, they're gonna get an email within 6 minutes of abandoning the cart. Okay, and it says your order, and then it has the client name inside of the title of the email. Now this is the actual email that gets sent out. See, it's kind of blank here. It says product info, blah blah blah. This is going to grab whatever product that they added to cart or products. It's going to put that image inside the email, and with the product name and the price, and also, obviously all they have to do is go to the cart to go purchase it. Okay, and this is automatically done. This is automatically done with this abandoned cart series, and I have actually 3 emails set up. The second one I'm giving 10% off here. Okay, and then the third I'm giving 25% off. Okay, 25% off. Now you have to see, it has to make sense with the price points of your product in order for you to give whatever discount amount through uh, this email series. But I don't give discounts on day number one. I give a discount on day number two. I mean, email number two and email number three. Email number two gets sent out 5 hours after the first, after them abandoning their cart. Or actually, I'm sorry, they get sent an email 5 hours after the first email I sent them. Then the third is they get sent an email 18 hours after being sent the second email. Okay, so I'm following up all between a day and a half of them abandoning their cart. So that helps you to recover recoup cost on ad spend, etc. Because these emails are consistently going out to these potential customers. Okay, and that's why I use the abandoned cart. But you're definitely gonna have to set it up. 3 emails right here. First email is just basically sending them over to back over to their cart so they can finish purchasing. Second email is giving them a discount. Third email is giving them an even further discount. And that's it, folks. That's all you need. And that's what I had in place. So another thing that I did was if you go to online store and then preferences, you can see right here where it says Google Analytics here. All right. Now, there's a couple of different sites you can go to in order to basically put some coding here. But first of all, before you can even add coding here, you have got to install Google Analytics on your store. Now, I have a video that I created in the past on how to install Google Analytics. It's also on this channel as well. I might put a card up here so it'll be easier on you. If not, it's in the ecom training playlist. But anywho, I'll show you how to install this Google Analytics. But then here is a bit of code that I created so that whenever somebody adds a product to the cart and they get ready to purchase, it shows them the discount image. So let me share with you what that looks like. So if they were to go and add this product to the cart, boom. Hit checkout. Bam. See this? This is exactly what they see. Okay, and that's what that code does for the back end there. So that's what I do is I enter that code. Dang, I lost my spot. All right, I'm gonna go back to that page. Hold on one second. Boom. So this is where you paste the code in order to get those functions. Now I have a site for you to go check out. It's actually free for you to get that code. I believe it's called conversionpirate.com. Hopefully it doesn't send me to no porn site. All right, cool. This is what it is. This is what you want right here, too. All right, and he has like different ones on the site, but he's literally on this site. They literally give you the code that you need. Okay, so if I click on this, if I scroll down, here's the code that I need to add to my to that box that I just told you about. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. So copy this code. All right. So and then he has like updates on here. By the time you watch this video, it's probably some more updates that came through. Yada yada yada. Just roam around on the site, see what you can find. But they do make updates every now and then. But this is how you can make the timer on there, on this page. For my mastermind members, I do actually give them the exact code that I have on my site. This is custom made. And so, but I just gave you like a free option where you can use here to increase those conversions there. All right. So anyways, with that being said, folks, those are those are the key points that you need to have in place. Um, a lot of times what I would do, and what you see on this P&L sheet, is just a front end product. Like I don't have the upsells even in place right now. So that's like the next step as far as increasing the profitability of these funnels, is adding a, upsells on the back end, and also selling to the customers that come through here. Okay. So there's a lot of different ways to increase conversions and increase your average order value per customer. But simple stuff that I'm going to be sharing with you in the Facebook ad series next is what's going to help you to make, to make all this happen. Okay, all this magic that you see on the screen right here. So, anyways, with all of that being said, folks, if you enjoyed this video slash, I would even say webinar, then go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll come out with new tutorials on a variety of different topics. And a lot of times I like to go into different series and whatnot in order to share or really emphasize the importance of something. I'm going to create a series around it. So that's what you'll be subscribing to as well. I do travel for a living. I am what you call a digital nomad. So I'm always traveling around different areas as well. So you will see, different scenery in different countries and stuff like that throughout the course of my YouTube videos. So, and so with all that being said, folks, so again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I create these videos for you guys so that you guys can get the latest and greatest information that can help you in your business. You may be one small tweak away from, creating that $2,000 a day or $10,000 or $200 a day, whatever that is for you. You may be getting tips throughout this series to make that happen. So you guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.